Yeah, guys, so the event taste bud is here with you again. And I'm at a spot where, trust me, guys, so beautiful. When you talk about, when you talk about looks, when you talk about beautification, you talk about right in this place where I'm at right now, off Windward Road. I should say on Windward Road. Yes, guys, so I'm in a restaurant. When you talk about niceness, when you talk about taste, deliciousness, trust me, here is where you have to come. You understand? So we're gonna find out today. I'm in Fishy Business. That's what the place name, yeah. So it's Fishy Business Restaurant, and I'm going to, see what they do in Fishy Business Restaurant. Yeah, guys. So come with me and let us see what they do in Fishy Business Restaurant on Windward Road. Yeah, man. So Taste Buds is here with you this morning. Yes. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going outside, man. So we're inside of the place right now. So we're going to show you what I'm going inside of the restaurant here. With the beautiful chefs then. Yes, we're going to find some nice, beautiful ladies again this morning. So we are in Fishy Business Restaurant. Yeah, man, and this is the one beautiful, say your name again?
Stacey.
Yeah? Stacey. So this is Stacey. Right over here, Stacey. So Stacey, I see the name outside, my Fishy Business. Why is it Fishy Business and not Fishy Restaurant, but Fishy Business?
No, because we only do seafood.
Seafood?
Yes.
So you don't like chicken and stuff, the straight fish?
Just fish. Fish, lobster, conch, you name it, as long as it's seafood.
Whoa! So it's down to order, you guys do
Yes.
it? Oh, so later on, we'll see what I want to tell them in the description so they can call you.
Alright,
Yeah,
no
man.
problem.
Yeah, man. But hold on, they come early, so like you do breakfast or you have to order breakfast?
At times we have customers who order breakfast, so we come in early at 6 and we start breakfast depends on what they want. So we could do saltfish and okra, ackee and saltfish.
Yeah.
With the saltfish fritters, as I said, mostly fish.
Mostly fish.
Mostly fish.
So you do fish fritters and all them things?
Yes.
Alright, so I can ask you a question now. So you say you do breakfast when people order, like today is Saturday, right? So when you do breakfast, like, because you don't do breakfast this morning?
Monday to Friday. No, we didn't do any this morning because we didn't get any order today.
Didn't get an order. So apart from like making your order like for fish food, what do they order? I want to know the breakfast setting. What do they really order?
Alright, for breakfast they would order kalaloo or, so as I said, ackee and saltfish, okra and saltfish, whatever I have to do with fish. Auntie Marjorie? And cabbage.
And cabbage.
Yes.
Nice. Well, we're in here this morning with her, so we're going to see what we want to go on in a beautiful restaurant. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, so we're going to see what I go on. Because I'm going to cook with her too,
Yeah.
I'm going to cook with her. So, what's preparing right now? What's preparing over here? I see what's over here? Anything finished? How would they do already?
No, we're just doing soup at the moment.
Oh, you're doing soup?
Yes, so we
Well,
do red pea soup Fridays and Saturdays. We do red pea soup on Fridays and Saturdays.
Red pea soup
with cow skin, chicken foot, and beef.
And beef. Alright. I'm going to next night chef up here saying she go like she not talking about her. I'm going to talk to her now. She go like she don't talk, she just smiles. Yeah. So tell me your name, man. Auntie Marjorie. So after I come this man ask her her name, you know, Fishy Business. But say no man, your name one.
Auntie Marjorie.
Yeah, man, so this is the one good old Auntie Marjorie doing the soup this morning.
Yeah, make the dumpling.
And the dumpling, alright, Auntie Marjorie. Yeah, man, sir, we're going to get to the food done, man. We're going to get to the food done. Say, yeah, Ola, you're doing the fish today?
Yeah?
You have the fish today, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, Auntie Marjorie.
Soon as we done the fish,
Alright, so Auntie Marjorie says she's going to fish. Auntie Marjorie going to do fish for us this morning. Look at the pot over here, so no. So we have to go and nice pot this. Nice. See there? Wow. Beautiful. You see dumpling right over here. So they got a little dumpling, Auntie Marjorie. What kind of little dumpling like that? Right here? No, man wants some. What call it again? Cartwheel.
No.
What about the cartwheel dumpling?
They're not talking about it in the box, in the cup.
Oh, so you make the dumpling what can fit in the cup?
Yeah.
Alright. So Crave man like me now, have you no problem?
No, you
So-
can't get a 6 on the small one there.
Alright. Something else, some man. Nice. So how long have you been doing this cooking, Auntie Marjorie?
3 years now.
3 years now you're here?
Eh?
3
No,
years now.
not here. We was at Caitlin's first.
Oh, Scotland.
Yeah.
So 3 years now you've been doing cooking.
Yeah.
Oh, but you have cooked long time before that.
Yeah, man.
Fried any. You know fried egg.
No cook.
Yeah, man, just a probably little cooked fried egg.
We don't want them food.
Oh, yeah,
My
sir.
different.
Yeah, why? Well, like why you cook for yourself? Like
Anything more.
yam and banana and them.
No. Turn tammy, rice.
Turn coming.
Yeah, when they put the white rice
Nice.
and it burn,
Yeah.
we get clean water and it's pour in it
Yeah.
and strain it off
Yeah.
and fry it how me want it.
Nice.
I never like for them food when
I want to go to Auntie Marjorie running up. Let me show you now run from. Look at this. Yes, man. Look at this. Auntie Marjorie run from that, you know. Auntie, you shouldn't run from that, man. You should used to it. Used to the burn. Used to the burn. Alright, I will say, used to the bun.
No,
You don't used to bun.
no,
You can't take bun.
no,
No bun at all.
no bun at
Not even
all.
Easter bun.
Not even Easter
Not
bun.
even Easter bun. She can't.
Maybe I will put it.
You be pudding too.
Yes.
So you pudding right off here something?
Yeah.
You don't pudding here?
Yeah.
What? Auntie Marjorie said,
Them.
and natural juice. Well, and them not make me ask them and them tell me no, come here, I ask natural juice, you know. But surprise me, I want to go to them say pudding. They could great old pudding. Say the pudding today.
No, they don't put it.
So when they do the pudding, now you have to order it.
When you order it.
You have to order the pudding. You have to order the pudding. Alright, so look for the natural juice. Nice place. Wow, the natural juice here.
It's a June plum. This is straight green.
What?
And this one, sorry,
So what the green one is for now?
green juice.
Green juice.
So
What
it's
the-
a
what green juice?
detox medicine.
Detox the body.
Yes.
So all of the man who know can't get no youth.
Then come right a fishy business. You get
Fishy
a fish,
business.
punk, lobster.
You must get your youth.
Right there you get a detox. Also show
Nice.
test
And this one is what now? The next other one is what?
This one is straight June plum.
June plum.
This is sorrel and pine.
Sorrel and pine. So much
Like
one again?
with
Much one?
ginger.
Much one?
Alright, this one is for 400. 350.
Nice.
350. So
Okay.
these two, 350 each.
Nice.
And the green juice is 400.
Wow. And you also do like beverage too, Pepsi and them stuff.
Yeah, we have juice and with the liquors and
Nice.
stuff.
And I have a little bar too, you know. Have a little bar. Yeah, man, so I show you little bar settings. Yeah, man. The little bar settings. So, you know, you come with your family and friends right out here. So, I so ask me if them play like domino and them thing right over here, you know. Yeah, man, I want a little nice scene right here. So,
Yeah, then you can go
nice
the
little
strong
scene.
side.
And this over here is the strong side, you say, you know, the strong side. I'm not encouraging you, know. I'm not encouraging you to drink. I'm not encouraging you to drive. So if you're gonna drink, bring somebody when I drink like myself, because me not drink. Yeah, man. And over here, look a fried dumpling right in here, so. Yeah, man. Sprat. Whoa, see the sprat in here? Whoa, see the sprat in here? Yeah, man. I'm just looking around, just saw eating dumpling this morning, you know, see that?
Fried saltfish.
Fried saltfish. You can't do it. Look it up, man. See it. Fried saltfish. What about crackers?
No, but you can go with your fried dumpling or your festival.
Nice. And the festival and everything. Cool. Beautiful. Yeah, man, guys. Nice spot. I soon take you guys outside and make you see where you can bring your friends. Come play domino or two. Yeah, domino.
Yes.
Got a man like you can play domino.
And the most important thing about fishy business,
Yes.
the name fishy is controversial.
Nice.
But want the taste bud curious when you come about fishy business.
Yes.
That's why we chose the title. That's what I say.
Yeah, because, trust me, the name is
And
so
it's a family setting.
family settings.
Remember, you know, blood make you related.
Nice.
Loyalty make your family. So with family,
Yes.
is with customers, we
Yes.
treat it like family.
Good. Great.
Family setting, the ambiance is here. You bring on your family,
Great.
kids. Show them outside the beautiful view.
Yeah, man. So show them that.
Soak in the breeze.
Nice.
Yeah, man, and you see the chef them.
Yeah.
Me teach them how to cook. Me not teach them how to
So
talk.
what I say, you're the original, you're the master.
I me teach them how to cook.
So you're the master.
Yes.
This is the master.
Yeah, man. I me teach them how to
This
cook.
is the master.
Me I take for them credit right now.
Yeah.
You know that. But like we said,
Yeah.
I live it till we say clean heart,
Yeah.
fishy business.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
When you welcome man, you can feel at home when you come here.
So we're gonna stick with the chef them and see how them do them cooking and them little thing and
I don't want to teach no recipe and put online, you know.
No, we're not
Like,
doing
if you
that.
forget the recipe, tap in at the wrist, you know, at the
Nice.
wrist to it. Yeah, the wrist to it.
Alright,
Yeah, man,
boss.
great thing with
Good,
it.
yeah. Yeah, man. So what I was saying, guy? You know, you sit right in here and can dine right here on the chair. Yeah, man. Clean spot. And
Temporary settings.
this is the temporary settings inside here.
Yeah,
But
this is
it's
temporary.
literally outside.
Upscale.
Yeah.
This is temporary. This is a work in progress.
Oh,
When you come here, it's going to be nice dining area.
nice.
You know what I said?
But I like outside, and I shouldn't take them
Outside
outside.
is beautiful.
Outside is beautiful.
And you see the flowers I'm out there, I get sun, and inside them they're here.
Whoa.
Them just I get sun.
Them just I get some
They're
sun.
inside the dining area.
Alright. I like the scenery. I
Yes.
soon show them outside, man. Soon show them outside. Soon go out there. Yeah, man. I have to stick with for the food.
Yeah, man.
I don't want the food left me.
I'm hungry, I get hungry, man.
Alright, I get hungry.
I'm hungry, I get hungry.
Yeah, man. I'm sticking at the kitchen. Stick in the kitchen.
Oh,
Yeah, man. So this is the fish. So you're gonna steam up a little fish right now. So hold on, so how much for a fish like that?
eh?
How much for a fish like that?
$2,000.
$2,000.
Yeah, fried, steam, probably
Nice.
2.
Nice. So you have steamed fish and you have fried fish.
Yeah, roast fish.
So all you have to do is just make a call
I make
and
your
tell them what you
order,
want, and you get your fried fish or your steamed fish.
Your roast fish.
All right, a fish is over here, so too.
Eh?
Right in here.
Yes.
Nice.
Some big fish.
One more I see it, man.
Never steam it.
One look on that big. What is a shark? big
Because
one.
of birthday later.
Whoa, so what big names are going later?
Yeah.
And then
Big
you have
yamins
the
are going
pot
later.
cover. So you get that first.
Look on a fish, there, man. Look, but yeah, man, you can order this one. Yeah, your family is come and
Yeah.
cut up and eat with crackers or bread or dumpling or something.
Yeah.
And then you have
And
the pot cover fish.
so there's a pot cover fish.
Yes.
Look how it big, man. Are really fishy pieces are going here, so?
Yes.
Really fishy pieces are going here, so. Yeah, man.
There are different fishes here in the bucket.
Missy lobster.
Yeah, we have lobster.
Missy lobster. The good old lobster right there. Good old lobster right
We
here.
have conch also.
And also conch.
Yeah.
Nice. So what I know? Let me ask you a question. So like now, a set of family now want come here and have dining.
And dine.
I see you have space.
Yes.
Nice space. So you just order your fish.
Yes, and as I said, we have natural juice, and if you're a part of the alcohol family, you can have that also.
You know what, you better let your number, make them know say, oh, when you come and fishing these things, you know, you just call and make your order, you know. You understand? So, tell them your number, man.
You can call Stacy at 378-1705, or the next number, Auntie Marjorie? 356 0287.
And also I'll put in the description so them call and make them look up.
Yes.
Order, yes, man.
So you can call Stacy or Auntie Marjorie
Yes.
at any time and place your order.
You know, much
and
time
it
you-
will be done before you got here.
And all the time I've been driving past Windward Road, like some people on the street side, and I want to look one man tell me say, oh, I just seen I want to spot this, brother. If you go there and eat, you have to go back. So I find you, you know.
Of course.
I will make me try one night.
And
One flitters.
you can't lose.
You make me try one flitters and a what? One fish.
You want fish?
And then I eat the fish, you know. You say, who eat the fish?
So you never tried
tell me-
fish.
them a tell me if I
So
come
you
back with
ever tried
more.
the fish today?
Yes. I'm
Alright,
gonna try the
so
fish
sit down and you
today.
go enjoy it with us.
Enjoy the fish
Alright.
today. The fish did nice, man, because whoever take my fish, you know, hear them, you can go buy more. Mr. I get it. I'm free.
Oh, you mean when you're nice?
Yeah, man, you never try one fish everywhere, and I mean, try it at all. I go home and they take it from me. And I say, how will you buy the fish? Yes, man, so at least we find the ends of the nice fish there. Whoa. See right here? Yeah, man, and the two lovely game. Now, no man, I work with them, you know. No man, I want to half a man in there, but I will go to eat again. One little half a man. No man, I help them at all. Well, no man, I help them at all. Just one little half a man, see me? Little half a man. That little half a man, just look something to eat, you know, watch him. Yeah, man. Me see eat the dumpling already, you know. You're not getting no more, you know. You're not getting no more.
I want no more food. One good man. Put on carrot already?
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better. I will love it till
My auntie Maggie just sit down and relax.
Una like woman who can cook, sir.
Yeah.
Una like woman who can cook. Yeah? But me sorry for no guys,
Whatever,
I guess
like
what I'm going
fast
out.
food and like what
Guess what I'm going out. Them taking man, everybody else is married, so. Well, she said she's not married. They don't want a real chef in her life, so one here. Yeah,
We
man.
don't believe in fast food around here.
No fast food around here. No, see what I'm saying, I eat KFC.
When the feed for that.
When you pay feed,
Yes.
I'm in around.
And fish better than KFC.
Of course. Fish for
And
sale.
lobster better than KFC.
Yeah, man. So hold on there. I'm supposed to rest man come over here then.
No.
Listen on.
Wait,
They don't know about it, they know about it now.
And them are the one who buy most, they don't have no money.
How you say? Alright. They know
Yeah,
about
fish
it.
tea they want.
Fish tea.
Yeah.
Well, the little fireman them, the rest of them know about the little inside now. Fishy business.
The real one them.
Fishy business.
The real one them.
Real one them,
And
alright.
When we say fishy business, we don't mean that fishy business there.
No. So, when it's a fishy business, what you really have about?
Straight seafood.
Can you trick between them?
Strictly seafood.
Yeah, that trick me too. Come in on now, what kind of fishy business you go on here, so?
Ah.
Joke, man. We know say straight fish. Straight fish from the sea.
Straight
fish
sea.
from the sea.
Alright.
Yes, man. One lady outside tell me say she want me come show us boy she have freshwater fish too, you know.
Yeah.
So Mr. Miss.
And when you deal with the fish them way, you put preservative on
No,
or fish them
no.
always
Fresh.
around here.
Straight from the sea, right in here. And
Fish fresh, seasoning fresh,
Yeah.
vegetable fresh.
Nice.
What the chef them fresh.
Everybody fresh. Yeah, man. I like this one. Like it.
Somebody come here and they go to that door. They say, what can I say that?
Oh!
Fishy business.
Hold on. Say that again.
Somebody come here and they go there so go sit down. You
Yeah.
know? My youth, I want to just sit down over, look over here.
Yeah.
Fishy business.
Yeah.
You don't sit down here somewhere. You don't know what they are talking.
Yeah.
That's fishy business.
He don't understand where I go on. He never understand where I go on.
When it pierce the fish, it talks something different.
He go back and sing on the side. Yeah, but I like it, man. Straight fish. So you said just no chicken.
Not it?
No chicken.
No, in a week.
Oh, in a week?
Yeah.
If somebody order,
Oh.
not something we do regular.
So no.
We get orders for.
Yes.
You understand?
Like we have we Wednesday.
We went and we do stew peas.
Yes.
So some people we do chicken, we fry on chicken with it. We fry chicken with it.
Oh.
On Thursday we do curry goat.
Mm-hmm.
Some people we do say they want chicken, we do
Oh,
chicken.
okay. In other words, now you come with your family of 5
Yeah.
or 6 and some
Yeah,
want
not
fish.
everybody eat
Somebody
fish.
go want chicken, they
Yes.
still cannot order
But you
that.
still can't eat it?
You still can order your chicken
Yeah.
and your mutton, your
Yeah.
curry goat.
Yeah.
Yes.
See,
So
just not just alone fish.
And on Tuesday,
Yeah.
stew pork. And you can still order your chicken and your fish.
Nice.
Same way, yeah.
Great. So for a large food, I'd like to know the price for a large food.
A large stew piece?
Yeah, so I got order like 5 order for my family now. I say, yo, I want.
A bit then I put in the fish.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right. Used to eat, man. You must used to eat. You know, worry about the fun.
When
in
you
the
worry about
kitchen.
that.
You know, I'm more hearing it, so I can put on my head.
Oh.
Nice, can put on the hearing it, man. Great.
So you're in the kitchen now, you're here
Of
cover.
course.
You know some kind of size you want it with.
I give him bombing and crackers.
Great.
See? You should go on with it still.
No. I can't know.
Yeah, when the rush come and we have something, we have a scallion cut with okra wash, with sweet pepper, with carrot,
Nice,
With hot
nice.
with Irish.
Yeah.
And we had pepper with
Pumpkin.
onion strip
Nice.
and pumpkin wash and set aside and
Nice.
they're ready we just cut up and
Oh, so you just prepare.
Yes.
Everything prepare already.
Yeah.
Yeah, so why you them to prepare everything so when you call.
And them pepper here, them not normal here. If you don't like pepper, see pepper here.
So you got what pepper they call? Scotch bonnet.
Yes.
So that's a Scotch bonnet
Naturally.
pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper.
Yes.
Well, you know, more time I don't want me to go for a challenge later. for $5,000. We're gonna just eat one of the pepper.
Me?
Up it.
No, not me.
You don't want money?
Me? And me grow them so me don't want it to eat. Me know how hot it be.
Just so we can save a $5,000.
And me grow this. Me don't want it.
You don't want the $5,000?
No.
Where's the keep it?
I'm not. I'm
Just say I must keep my $5,000.
I'm broke, but I don't want it.
She don't want it because she said she grew it, so she
And
know
no
it
chemical in the depon it. Out
Nice.
of Shooters Hill where me live.
Yeah.
And it grew up on the hill.
Shooters
me
Hill.
don't want it
That's
to
where
eat
Bull
them
Bay.
here.
That's in Bull Bay. Shooters Hill in Bull Bay. That's where she come from.
This man me pick them. This
Nice.
man me pick
This
them
man
and
will
bring
pick
them. Alright.
Yeah, man.
No, I don't want it. Me good.
Just so we can keep a $5,000. I got. Where's someone gonna buy ice cream with it? I'm gonna buy ice cream for $5,000. And you see me, my good old ear net. Yes, people like going to the chef them though. Yeah, man, or yourself, man. This is the chef who come to eat. Come to eat out the kitchen. Yeah, man, that beautiful ends, guys. Beautiful ends right off here. So you come with your family, you come with your friends. Yeah, man, them have music that they play. It's because I'm here while they turn on the music. But I turn off the music while taste bud is here. Yeah, man, so a whole heap of things going right off here, man. And then I soon take you guys outside to let you have the look on the scenery. You know, you sit back with your friends, play domino, you know, and watch the cars and pass right beside the police station. I soon take you guys outside and you can see everything, man. Yes, beautiful spot on Windward Road out here. So yeah, man, nice. She's afraid of pepper challenge. She said I'm gonna take my money and buy ice cream. Yeah. Take your $5,000.
It's a one pepper at the margin.
So you have to win.
I mean, I want to give my $5,000. How you feel like? I should go first, you know?
He said I like pepper.
Me don't like pepper.
And he want to challenge me. Next thing you want to choose that.
But I'm glad you're back down. You're back down anyways. You're back. Me not come Fishy, you know. I didn't come Fishy, you know. Because I know that she should take me on, you know. If you have peas, you go eat. You see, that's why I say, oh, you have to go for the soft one.
I could eat peas, but you said one. You said one.
Then the business what you want to do.
If I want, I want. But you have to eat for your first and then eat mine after.
She said if you take my $5,000, I'm going to buy ice cream. Yes. Alright. Next time better again.
Wait.
I mean, come back. That vibe just right.
That
Me
first
I come
verse of
back.
right or so.
And the first you see me.
No.
You have to see me again.
Alright.
It's not the last. The first and the last. Me I come back here.
Which first and last?
Thursday.
That is last Thursday.
Link up Thursday.
What?
Buy a liquor, get a roast fish.
Oh, you say? Happy vibes are going about here.
Every last
Happy
Thursday.
vibes are going about here. What are they? You see the fries, not them thing there?
Yeah.
The fries.
We do hot dogs too.
Wow. That is a crackers. Nice. Yeah, I have a cook crackers. Not my crave, you know. But me nah make you think me want to come back. Me come back. She asked me if I need more crackers.
You have to come back.
Me go say it off of the camera. Me nah say it on the camera. Yeah, me want more crackers.
You say it on the camera.
Oh gosh, me say it on the camera. So none of them say crave me, man. crave man. Yeah, man. So just you two ladies alone in the kitchen.
Yes.
Nice. And what I like about you is like we have a connection. We have family.
Yes.
Not
And
family.
then here, Fishy business is one family.
Okay. So it's like in a circus and a one family.
Alright.
So here's just one family.
Loyalty
Fishy
make
business.
your family.
Whoa. We couldn't know, man. Kind of have a connection.
Okay.
Going. Alright, I know. We turn our family too, you know.
Right, that's so.
We turn family too. Can they love me and me love them.
Alright.
We don't love me though.
Yes, we do.
But we know not say me. No flow. You have to ring him and ticket to him saying one shark.
The big fish when my brother gets her when he's done. You know, I don't like it.
See her right, so she said, boy, if I want one tiki see it. She said, I said no. She said, boy, alright, me I get a shark. You see the big old fish there? Yeah, man. So I know she said, hey, taste bud can eat it, man. Taste bud can eat. Is that
You have the body to eat, so you have to.
Oh.
Yeah.
No man, you have some thick man who can't eat enough, man. Eat little bit.
I like to see that one there.
Eh?
I like to see that one
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, why? You have a body family big like me.
Eh?
Of
How
course.
much dumpling can you eat?
Dumpling.
Right?
Yeah.
I don't eat dumpling.
Glenn eat about 6 dumplings.
Not so much.
Then Glenn not bad like me then, man. Glenn not bad like me. Me alone eat
Yeah.
a pound of flour.
Uncle Ricky will lick down that in a
You
shake.
eat a separate dumpling.
6 dumpling.
Uncle Ricky not big like you.
And Winnie.
I just meant to say, Marga man eat enough dumpling. I'm gonna eat no dumpling, you know. Yes,
We need
man.
about 12 dumplings.
Yeah,
And yeah, guys, trust me, right beside the restaurant, yes, Fishy Business, there's a nice fish place right here. And this is a beautiful lady that run around here. So when you want fresh fish, man, just come right around here, man. You get your fresh fish, you love. Yeah, man. Nice fish. So you sell the fish by the pound?
You buy the pound.
Sell the fish by the pound. Wow, so much a pound for this fish around here?
1200.
$1,200 a pound right here.
Snapper, parrot.
Wow. Nice, man. So you normally supply fish to fish, you just call her and this number again?
489-4699.
Great.
Yeah.
And you can get your fish, just make your order right off here. So normally I fish in this too?
Yeah.
What?
When the boat come and see.
Ah.
Yeah.
So fish then on them so
When the boat come.
when the boat come?
Yeah.
Alright, beautiful, beautiful. Alright, my friend. So right beside it.
Next time.
Yep. Yeah. Right here.
yeah, you say we never know whether to select stuff.
Which kind of? I mean, this
Okay.
deep kind of full of that selection stuff.
Check your guys' restaurant. Alright? No touch nothing now. Yes.
Beautiful, guys. Whoa. There we go. I don't know if you're going to eat it. Mount fish bad. Now the red fish is so nice, so mouth watering, flavorful. Wow.